subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo's latest Y series phone is now official in India as Vivo Y56 with 5G support. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone.
The Vivo Y56 5G features a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with a large 90.6% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with Mali G57 M02 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM that can be extended up to 8GB by using extended RAM 3.0 technology, and it has 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Vivo Y56 5G supports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses one 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture along with the 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 13 out of the box with one TouchOS 13 screen on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.1 by 75.6 by 8.15mm, and it weighs around 184 grams.
So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone.
The Vivo Y56 5G has been priced in India at 19,999 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in black and orange color options.
So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y56 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.